Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best rated snow blowers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Snow Joe Cordless Snow Blower. Ready to save your back and say goodbye to your shovel, but don't want to deal with gas, oil, or electrical cords? This snow blower is the battery-driven future of snow blowers. While battery-powered blowers won't go as long or hard as their gas-driven brethren, they can still pack a respectable, snow-chucking punch. Case in point, this Snow Joe is capable of clearing an 18-inch wide path in depths up to 10 inches. It'll even handle heavy and wet stuff, though at shallower depths. And while it can't whip the waste as far as its gas-powered siblings, its adjustable chute features a respectable 20-foot range. Its pair of rechargeable batteries used simultaneously let you clear a path through the powder for 30 minutes or so. Of course, you can also invest in a backup set if you're looking to tackle bigger jobs and need to quick swap batteries to keep plowing. But even if you need to take a break to recharge, the Snow Joe has built-in headlights. So you could conceivably begin clearing at dawn, fully recharge in the afternoon, then finish at dusk. Number 2. Our second best pick is Snow Joe Electric Snow Blower. Want to kick carbon emissions to the curb, but prefer not to be limited by a battery-powered machine's shorter run time? Embrace the cord. If you choose to be tethered, you won't do better than this electric snow blower, a corded model that includes many of the same features as single-stage gas and battery-powered models. Its 22-inch width carves a slightly wider path than the battery-powered model above, which is handy for clearing sidewalks and mid-sized driveways. It's also powerful enough to handle snow that's up to a foot deep. Even so, it is easy to maneuver and weighs just 35 pounds. It may be limited by the length of the cord, but it makes up for range with an appealing mix of efficiency, features including headlights for after-dark jobs and compact design. Plug the Snow Joe into a lengthy, durable outdoor electrical extension, and you'll quickly forget about the wire in your wake. Number 3. Our third best pick is PowerSmart Snow Blower. This battery-powered 2-stage snow blower can remove 8 inches of snow at a time and can cover about a 10-foot of driveway, or 300 total feet, on a single charge. Clip the on-page coupon to save an extra $150 on this model. Max clearing width 24 foot and clearing depth 20. One full charge can remove about 10-foot driveway x 300-foot distance and 8 inch of snow. It has ADV6. 0A lithium battery, strong endurance, brushless technology, 40-minute running times, no gas, no maintenance. Forward and reverse speeds enhance driving convenience. 13 inches. Inflatable tires can easily overcome small obstacles. Chute rotation button located on the left side of the handle. Push the button, chute should rotate 180 degrees. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Greenworks Brushless Snow Blower. Greenworks DG Pro Series is compatible with its G Max 40V Li-ion system, offering powerful and easy-to-use gas alternative tools to get the job done. It provides innovative tools for all projects around the home by combining its brushless motor with its 40V technology. Make your life easier and stop worrying about the gas hassle of maintenance, hard-to-manage pull cords and the fume. Most Greenworks tools are sold with battery configuration and amp tool-only models. For peak performance, use a battery that is being stored at room temperature. The snow thrower may not properly start if the battery temperature is too cold. If the unit does not start, remove the battery from the snow thrower and allow it to warm indoors for 10 minutes or longer. Reinstall the battery and try again. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Ariens Deluxe 2-stage snow blower. If your driveway is the size of a small parking lot and you live in a climate that's regularly clobbered with white stuff, you'll need a machine that's more beast than blower. Thankfully, this snow blower offers more than fits the bill. Combining a powerful 4-cycle engine with a substantial 28-inch clearing width, this baby carves through deep, thick snow without breaking a sweat. And while this 2-stage behemoth is built like a tank, its auto-steering feature makes controlling it a breeze. Its high-output impeller and 55-foot throwing distance further complement its size and power with speed and efficiency smaller machines just can't match. If you're clearing a few inches of powder from your walk-up path a couple times a year, this one is probably overkill. But if you want to eliminate over a foot of the wettest, heaviest stuff from a sizable driveway or an entire neighborhood of sizable driveways, this snow blower will quickly become your new best bud. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.